In 2019, a teacher in a small town made a decision that would change her life forever. She started to invest with just $1,000 saved from her modest salary. Fast forward to today, her portfolio has grown beyond her wildest dreams. Now, she funds a comfortable retirement and her passion for travel and art. This is a reality check for those who understand investing. And in 2024, the landscape of investment is ripe with opportunities for you to write your own success story. But where do you start? How do you navigate the sea of information, tools, and advice? In this video, you will learn how to invest for beginners in 2024. But this isn't your average finance lecture. We're bringing you real stories, expert insights, and actionable steps to apply today. Let's get started. You've probably heard it repeatedly. Invest early, invest often. But why? Here is where it gets interesting. Thanks to inflation, the money you save today might not hold the same value tomorrow. Inflation slowly erodes the purchasing power of your money, making everything more expensive over time. This is why you should invest. When you invest your money wisely, you allow it to grow, outpacing inflation and building wealth over time. But before you jump into investments, there's a crucial step you must pay attention to: defining your financial goals. Whether buying a home, securing a comfortable retirement, or funding your children's education, everyone's financial goals are unique. And understanding what you are working towards is the key to an investment strategy that aligns with your goals. To understand your goals, reflect on what financial freedom means to you. Is it the freedom to travel the world, the security of a safety net, or do you want to buy the new model of Pagani? Whatever your goals, investing helps you achieve them. So, how do you start investing as a beginner? Here is a 3-step formula for investing as a beginner. Step 1. Build a financial foundation. First up, your emergency fund. It is your lifeboat. Experts recommend saving enough to cover 3 to 6 months of living expenses against life's unexpected turns: a job loss, medical emergency, or urgent home repairs. You need to get rid of high-interest debt. High-interest debts like credit card balances can quickly grow, affecting your ability to save and invest. Paying these off should be your priority. Make sure you do not lose money to interest payments. Step 2. Decide how much to invest. With your foundation set, how much should you invest? It's about something other than the amount, but starting somewhere and being consistent. Even small contributions can grow significantly over time. Consider your financial goals, monthly expenses, and emergency fund. You need to ensure balance, investing enough to make progress toward your goals, but not so much that you are stretched thin. Step 3. Choose an investment account. Now, where to invest? There are several options, each with its purpose. Let's simplify it. Taxable brokerage accounts give you flexibility with no limits on contributions or restrictions on withdrawals. They are perfect for goals outside retirement. IRAs, or individual retirement accounts, offer tax advantages for retirement savings. There are 2 main types: traditional and Roth, each with its own tax benefits. The 401k plan is often available through employers, offering another tax-advantaged way to save for retirement. Some employers even match your contribution, which boosts your savings. Note that choosing the right investment account depends on your goals, tax situation, and whether you have access to an employer-sponsored plan. There is no one-size-fits-all answer. However, understanding your options is the first step to making an informed decision. The 3 steps to investing as a beginner might seem complex, but every journey begins with a single step. And you are not alone. With your financial foundation set and the right account in hand, it's time to learn about investment opportunities. Different investment vehicle. Stocks, bonds, mutual funds, and ETFs are different investment vehicles that you can choose from. Each comes with its own set of risks and potential returns. Stocks represent ownership shares in a company. When you buy stock, you become a partial owner of that company. Stocks are known for their high potential returns, but carry a higher risk than other investment vehicles. The value of stocks can fluctuate widely based on the company's performance, market conditions, and economic factors. Over the long term, stocks have historically provided substantial returns, but they can experience significant volatility in the short term. As Paul Samuelson said, investing should be more like watching paint dry or watching grass grow. If you want excitement, take $800 and go to Las Vegas. Bonds. Bonds are loans from an investor to a borrower, typically corporate or governmental. When you purchase a bond, you are lending money to the issuer in exchange for periodic interest payments and the return of the bond's face value at maturity. Bonds are generally considered less risky than stocks. However, their potential for returns is usually lower compared to stocks. The risk and return on bonds can vary widely depending on the creditworthiness of the issuer and the bond's duration. Mutual funds. Mutual funds are investment vehicles that pool money from many investors to purchase a diversified portfolio of stocks, bonds, or other securities. Each investor owns shares of the fund and can buy or sell these shares at the fund's current net asset value, NAV. Mutual funds are managed by professional fund managers who make investment decisions on behalf of the fund's investors. Mutual funds offer diversification and professional management, but they come with management fees and other expenses that can affect their overall returns. Exchange-traded funds. Exchange-traded funds, ETFs, are similar to mutual funds. They also pool investor money to buy a diversified portfolio of investments. However, unlike mutual funds, ETFs are traded on stock exchanges like individual stocks. They can be bought and sold throughout the trading day at market prices. ETFs often have lower expense ratios than mutual funds and provide high liquidity and transparency. They offer a way to gain exposure to specific sectors, commodities, or investment strategies. While the wind's direction is out of our control, how we set our sails, the practical steps we take, can make all the difference in reaching our goals. Diversify your portfolio. Diversification is your strategy to spread investments across different assets, reducing the risk of a single investment sinking your portfolio. Diversifying your investment portfolio ensures that a setback in one area won't capsize your entire investment strategy, allowing for smoother sailing through market ups and downs. Practical tips for beginner investors. Start small. The principle of beginning with manageable amounts must be balanced. Investing is not reserved for the affluent. It's accessible to anyone willing to start with what they have. As your financial comfort zone expands, so too should your investment contributions. This incremental approach mitigates risk and fosters a deeper understanding of investment dynamics, a strategy championed by investment experts across the board. Automate investments. Setting your investments on autopilot can be a game changer. Automating investments allows you to spend time with family, go on vacations, and drive your Ferrari. It helps you consistently contribute to your goals without remembering each time. This strategy harnesses the power of dollar-cost averaging. It allows you to buy more shares when prices are low and fewer when prices are high, averaging the cost of your investments over time. It's a way to build your portfolio steadily and mitigate market timing risk. The most successful investors are not those who chase quick wins, but those who remain steadfast in their goals. Dedicate time to reading, watching, and listening to financial and educational news. Join communities of fellow investors where you can share insights and experiences. Avoid these common mistakes beginners make while investing. Many beginners believe they can predict market highs and lows, but this is unpredictable. Even seasoned investors find it challenging to navigate accurately. Never invest in something you don't fully understand. Ensure you understand the investments you are considering, their risks, and how they fit into your overall strategy. And do not let your emotions dictate your investment decisions. The market's waves can evoke fear and greed, leading to hasty decisions. Investing requires calm and thoughtful navigation through storms and calm seas. If you found today's video valuable, don't forget to like, subscribe, and get notified. Together, we will explore new ways to achieve financial affluence. Feel free to comment below with your thoughts or questions. Thank you for joining us. See you next time.